We've stopped off down here at the flea market just off of 540 coming in. It's literally just off the interstate. If you like to visit the flea markets and that sort of thing, do any kind of shopping, this is a place you're going to want to check out.
I want to pay $5.
Thank you. Fresh watermelon.
There was San Bernardino, there was special. 38 okay. I gotta find my desk. See that.
Just had a new shirt made at one of the vendors. Has a cabin and a bear. Great Smokie Mountains.
Prices are always negotiable. Just ask.
Some of the quilts here that they have are just amazing. Feature a lot of different landscapes, a lot of Native American scenes, and there's just all kinds of different types that you can find here.
It's like a little briefcase.
Coming in here is you can always find something to spend your money on.
We get out of here, but I'll figure out how to talk to you.
They've got all kinds of books here as well, including a lot of the classics.
Oh, 15, but if I get 50, I get 5 off.
Well, I get this really cute sweater that's $40 that I think I can.
Get your picture made. Old time photos. found a rifle sling from a guy that was set up in here. He also sells different kinds of ammunition, and surprisingly he had some 22 long rifles also. I know that's been kind of hard to find those lately.
You have, buddy. Come here.
Besides the rifle sling, we also bought another suitcase. The one that we have has about torn up. It's about had it. It's wore out and it needed to be replaced. But anyways, that is a brief overview of the flea market down here in the Smokies. This is actually one of the largest. Now there are some other small outdoor ones scattered throughout the area. But anyways, guys, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.